How to set lock screen wallpaper using Wallpaper Engine. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to do this. Of course, you're going to need Wallpaper Engine, from Steam. So all you want to do is just go ahead and launch it. So I'm going to launch mine right now and then just wait for it to open. And then all you're going to do is select the wallpaper you want to use as your lock screen. So I'm going to have mine open right here. And then these are the ones I currently have installed. Let's say I want to use this as my lock screen. All I'm going to do is right click on it. And then all I'm going to do is select pause at like whichever favorite frame I have. Now all I'm going to do is right click again and select screenshot. Then I'm going to choose a folder on my drive and save the high resolution image file. Now, what I got to do if I want something from Wallpaper Engine is I got to then go over, press Windows key and I to open up Windows settings. Then go to personalization. Then go ahead and click on lock screen. And then under personalize your lock screen, select picture. And then all you want to do is go over to this browse photo section and select your Wallpaper Engine frame. And then that's it, you'll be good to go.